Assalamu alaikum guys, Ramadan is a month of blessings and fasting, praying. In this video I will share with you 5 productive things which you can do during this month beside praying and fasting. Number 1, read Quran with translation in your native language. It is very important to understand Quran. Besides just reading it, you can also read some other books which have been pending for you for a long time. Number 2, learn and remember different surahs and du'as. There are many du'as which are mandatory for every Muslim to learn. For example, dua at funeral prayer and dua while entering or leaving house, etc. Number 3, organize your smartphone and social media. This one might come as a surprise for you, but in this modern era of technology, your smartphone is very important. It is an integral part of your life, so it is very essential to organize it. By organizing, I mean deleting all the stuff you don't need anymore, or making folders and collecting stuff, etc. And social media is the second most important thing which reflects your personality to the outer world after your physical appearance. Number 4, learn cooking. Before proceeding, let me clear, it is not just for females, it is for everyone. Cooking is one of the most ancient skills which mankind learned. After hunting, it was the most important skill to learn even in the ancient times. So these days it is also very important. I personally believe that if you know how to eat, then you should also know how to cook. Number 5, self-growth. Self-growth means working on yourself, working on your personality, improving and learning different skills. It involves, for example, how to manage your anger, how to focus on different things, set goals and achieve them on time. To learn all this, you can read different self-improving or personality improving books available, or there are some courses available on internet as well, and there are also some videos available on social media.